Our top news this week. Atomos has just released the public beta of their brand new cloud-based video editing solution. Simply called Atomos Edit, the new public beta is now live, and it gives users the ability to quickly edit their footage destined for YouTube or Vimeo from web browsers such as Firefox or Chrome. The browser-based editing tool features a slick and familiar interface, giving users the ability to use multiple video and audio tracks, insert transitions and branding, and even have multiple editors working remotely across the globe. Although the beta version functionality is quite limited at the moment, the plan for the production version is to allow users to upload footage directly to the cloud from Atomos Connect devices. SWIT has introduced their professional NDI EFP multi-camera production system, featuring 4K support, intercom, tally, return PGM monitoring, and much more. The system has very similar functionality to traditional fiber or SDI EFP multicam live production systems. However, it takes advantage of the low latency NDI technology for sending a video signal over an IP network. The system features a simple and intuitive setup and is equipped with either HD or 4K camera adapters, as well as an intercom panel, allowing the director to communicate with each camera operator. The system also comes supplied with the necessary accessories to mount the camera adapter to your camera, and also offers local HDMI monitoring for each camera, as well as an external tele light. Renowned British pro camera accessories maker Tangerine has updated their LeftField system for the new red Komodo-X. The latest Komodo-X camera from Red has a slightly larger body and a different pin design at the bottom, which has been accommodated in the new LeftField 3 kits from Tangerine. The kits are available in 3 tiers, starting with the base kit, which includes left and right side plates and a universal base plate. The advanced kit builds upon the base kit by adding a NATO top handle and a duff plate, while the expert kit adds on 15mm rods and a top rod bracket for mounting additional accessories. And that's all we have for this week. We'll be back next week with more news in 90 seconds.